Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking class for class 6 Candid Biology ICSE chapter 1 the leaf exercises. Chapter I already explained you in the previous video. Now first we proceed with the exercise. The entire set of leaves of a plant is known as its foliage. The order in which leaves grow on a plant, phyllotaxy. Sharp pointed organs present for the purpose of defense, spines. Stalk by which leaf lamina is attached to the main stem, petiole. Leaves in which lamina is divided into small segments attached to petiole, its compound leaves. The angle between the petiole and the stem, it is axial. Now define axial and node. Now see, axial, this is axial. The angle between the petiole and the stem is called the axial of a leaf. Node, the point from where the leaf arises is called node. You can see it here, node. The point at which leaf is attached to the stem or leaf arises stem is known as node. Right? Give the functions of petiole and lamina. Now here you see, here I told you already, the angle between the petiole and the stem is called axial. The point at which leaf is attached to the stem is known as node. Give two functions, petiole. The leaf lamina is attached to the main stem is called petiole. Lamina, it performs photosynthesis with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Give two differences between simple and compound leaves. Lamina is single, undivided. Lamina is divided into small segments. Various margin incisions, if present, never touch the midrib. Here, incisions reach up to the midrib. Simple leaf and compound leaf. Now here you can say, and you can write this point also. Example, simple leaf, mango, banana, China rose, as you can see in the single lamina. Compound leaf, rose, coriander, drumstick. You can draw the diagram, leaflets. This is of the compound leaf of rose. Not that is divided into many leaflets. Here lamina is not divided, it's a single lamina arises over here. I hope it is clear to you. Now the next question, give two functions of leaf tendrils. Now see, as they touch the two functions of leaf tendril, the two functions of leaf tendrils are, as they touch any object, they coil around it. Second, they support the plant to climb up. The next point, they support the plant to climb up. I hope it is clear. Now, how parallel venation is different from the reticulate venation? If you ask this, the parallel venation is different from reticulate venation. Now you can see it here. Reticulate venation and parallel venation, they are different from each other. In reticulate venation, veins are irregularly distributed without a definite pattern. You can see it over here. Veins are arranged in parallel rows in each other. ये इसके अलावा आप ग्रास में देख सकते हैं जिसमें कि ये लंबी लंबी लाइनें होती हैं. Veins form a network in the leaf. Veins जो है ये network देखिए form करती है. Here they do not form a network. यहाँ हर एक single separate है, कोई किसी से मिलती नहीं है, सब अलग रहती है. People, mango, rose, you can see. Example, banana, grass, bamboo. I hope it is clear to you. Now your next question, give two modifications of leaves and give role of such modification. When we ask about the two modifications of the leaf, now here you can have under the two modification. First is leaf tendril, weak stem plant, either the whole leaf or a leaflet modified into wiry coiled structure called tendrils. As they touch any object, they coil around it and support the plant to climb up. As you see, sweet pea. Here you can see this one, climbed up. Leaf tendrils, how they help. This is the weak stem, this is the bamboo stick. When they are grown, stem support is there, they are going to coil up. And next, leaf spine. Now leaves are modified to a hard pointed structure called spine. These spines check the loss of water from plant body, helping plant to conserve water. They also protect the plants from grazing animals. Main, reduce the loss of water. Second, as a defense, they protect it from the main plant. Here you can see as in here. This is the green of cactus plant, Opentia. Green fleshy stem performs the function of leaf. Leaves are modified into spines. They reduce the loss of water and they also protect the plant from any, so that they are not eaten by the grazing animals. Any danger, they are protected by them. Now give the function, two functions there. Draw label diagram of a cactus and give the function of spines. ये तो आपका हो गया था, ये हम देख रहे थे. Parallel venation हो गया, two modifications the leaf हो गया. How transpiration occurs in plant, explain. Now when we ask about the transpiration, now see, the removal of, in your book is excess, but excess word should not be there. आप जानते हैं अगर आप पेड़ को पानी नहीं देंगे तो पेड़ पूरी तरह से सोए, इसलिए इसमें एक्सेस वर्ड नहीं आएगा. मैक्सिमम बुक्स में आपके मेंशन्ड है एक्सेस, लेकिन ये गलत है. इट इज रॉन्ग, इट शुड नॉट बी देयर. द रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर from the plants in the form of water vapors through stomata is called transpiration. Removal of water through the stomata or aerial parts of the plant. Aerial parts means green parts of a plant, that is called the respiration. How vegetative propagation occurs in leaf, explain. See, vegetative propagation in the leaf, it occurs, you see, leaves are modified to bear foliar buds from where the new plants grow and develop. जैसे ब्रायोफिलम है, बिगोनिया है. अब ये आप प्लांट देख रहे हैं, इसमें साइड से लीव्स से जो नॉचेस हैं, ये इस तरह की, ये जो नॉचेस, इन पॉइंट्स से जो है बड्स निकलती हैं, और इसमें नीचे की तरफ जो होते हैं वो हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स होते हैं. जब ये पूरी मैच्योर बड बन जाती है तो ये फॉल हो जाती है ग्राउंड पर और उससे नया प्लांट निकलता है. और इसी तरह से ये देखिए बिगोनिया में होता है. लीफ इन ब्रायो, ये ब्रायोफिलम में था. बिगोनिया में जो होती है, ब्रायोफिलम plant is broad, has a notch margin, bud arises from the notches, and these buds are called epiphyllous. What are epiphyllous buds? Epiphyllous buds are those buds which arises from the margins of the leaf. The buds which arises from the margins of the leaf or on the surface of the leaf, they are called epiphyllous buds. When buds drop off, ये जब मैच्योर बड बन जाती है तो ये नीचे गिर जाती है और उससे नया प्लांट बनता है. And the vegetative propagation begonia is also in the same way. I hope it is clear. Now give the functions of leaf tendrils. ये तो हम आपको बता ही चुके हैं, सेम क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड लीफ टेंड्रिल्स का है. अब ये आपका आता है, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस आपके हो गए, बहुत सिंपल ही थे. चूज द ऑड वन आउट फ्रॉम ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. पीटियोल, थैलेमस, लीफ ब्लेड, लैमिना, वेनलेट्स. ये सारे पार्ट्स लीफ के हैं. थैलेमस इज ए पार्ट ऑफ ए फ्लावर, तो थैलेमस इज ऑड वन आउट. टेंड्रिल, स्पाइंस, फिलोड, हुक्स, ये सारे मॉडिफिकेशन है लीफ के. फाइब्रस, ये फाइबर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं. फाइब्रस टिश्यूज, दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द हार्ड टिश्यूज इन द स्टेम्स. स्टॉक्स, petiole, leaf base, axil. Corolla, corolla is odd one out, it is a part of a flower. जबकि स्टॉक, petiole, leaf base, axil, ये सब लीफ और उसके स्टेम के बेस के वेजिटेटिव पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट के हैं. ये रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट, फ्लावर का एक पार्ट है. मिडरिब, वेन, लीफ एपेक्स, लीफ मार्जिन, कैलस. कैलस, it's a structure growth of a mass of a cells or tissue is called callus. तो callus is odd one out. midrib, vein, leaf, ये सारे leaf के parts हैं. जबकि callus a group of cells grown in the nutritive media, उसको हम callus कहते हैं. जो nutritive medium में group of cells का growth होती है उसको callus बोलते हैं. phyllotaxy, opposite world alternate, मतलब फाइलोटैक्सी, अरेंजमेंट ऑफ लीफ, अपोजिट वर्ल्ड. ये वेनेशन, इट इज द वेन्स. वेनेशन लीफ के अंदर है. लीफ वेन्स कैसे लीफ के अंदर अरेंज है, और ये लीफ का अरेंजमेंट स्टेम पर कैसे होता है, ये फाइलोटैक्सी कहलाता है. सो वेनेशन इज ऑड वन आउट. अब ये आपका नेक्स्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. द स्टॉक बाय विच लीफ लैमिना is attached to the main stem is called petiole. Angle between the petiole and the stem is called the axial or axial of the leaf, and you can write anything as your teacher told to you. The end of the petiole joining the stem is called node. Veins divide and subdivide to form a network of veinlets. Veinlets, veinlets. If the vein run parallel to the midrib, it is called parallel venation, जैसा कि अभी मैंने आपको दिखाया था. The arrangement of leaves on the nodes of the stem and branches is known as phyllotaxy. Parallel venation are found in the leaves of dicot plants. No, parallel venation they are found in monocot plant. Dicot में reticulate venation. In case of Venus flytrap, lamina becomes modified into a pucher to capture insect. It is true. The leaves of Nepenthes is bound and has notches its margin. No, they are modified into pitcher plant. Leaves are modified to spines to reduce water loss. It is true. Rhizobium is an insectivorous plant. False. Rhizobium is bacteria.